I've been asked the question, why Blizzard? And the answer is very high-speed drivers are very difficult to throw for most people in heavy weights. The Blizzard is to make those discs lighter in a very durable plastic. And the lighter discs are much easier for most people to throw, and they stay in the air much longer than the heavy discs. These allow you to throw the power shots of your dreams because these things are light enough and still have that great speed that allows them to go farther, faster, and carry because of the light weight. And that was demonstrated very well last year by David Wiggins, who set a world record with a Blizzard Boss, and we're grateful to him for doing that and showing off how great the Blizzard stuff can be. For most people, these Blizzard discs give them a chance to throw 400 feet maybe when they were only throwing 350 feet before.